With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is making this substantial adjustment that will greatly improve the picture quality and user experience. You see, Samsung debuted its periscope zoom camera on the S20 Ultra, the company's first smartphone. Its optical zoom was 4x. On the Note 20 Ultra, Samsung enhanced it to a 5x optical zoom. Samsung included a second 3x telephoto camera on the S21 Ultra along with a 10x optical periscope camera for long-range zoom after users complained that they also needed a short-range zoom. For the following 2 years, Samsung continued to use the same system. Now, it seems that Samsung is improving one of its zoom cameras and introducing the largest upgrade to its zoom cameras in the previous 3 years with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm not referring to the continuous zoom camera, however. Instead, Samsung will replace the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 3x telephoto camera with a 5x telephoto camera. Galaxy Club, who have a great track record, claim that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will thus include 2 zoom cameras, one with a 5x telephoto zoom and the other with a 10x telephoto zoom. This disproves a report we had heard that Samsung was doing away with the 3x telephoto camera entirely on the S24 Ultra. But the leak from Ice Universe was probably inaccurate given that Galaxy Club has a stronger track record than Ice Universe. Now, I'm aware that some of you may have a few questions. So what about close-up zoom? To provide a superior short-range zoom, Samsung included a second 3x telephoto camera. How will we shoot close-up zoom shots if Samsung uses a 5x optical zoom on the S24 Ultra? It seems that Samsung will use the 200MP primary camera's high quality for lesser zoom ratios, such a 3x telephoto zoom. We'll have to wait and see whether this was a wise choice since optical zoom cameras are almost always superior than main sensor cropping. Using a continuous zoom camera with a changeable lens that enables us to zoom in at any distance without compromising quality would be ideal. The second query you may have is brought up by this. Does this imply there won't be a continuous zoom camera on the S24 Ultra? It seems that the phone won't feature this technology. For the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung will continue to use a pair of telephoto cameras in tandem. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.